Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and in this video tutorial I would like to share with you how to crochet ribbing one to one. Knowing this special rib technique will help you to create a really nice neat looking fabric that is stretchy and always fits. This can be used for edging on garments such as socks, sweaters, gloves, scarves, and cowls. So if you want to try it, let's do it together. Here I'm using 5mm crochet hook and the bulky yarn, home decor yarn. So make a slip knot and chain 8 plus 1. So in total chain 9. And plus 1. Working into the back loop, I'm going to yarn over and insert my hook into the second chain from my hook. Pull up a loop and yarn over again, and at this point I'm going to pull the first loop through the second and the third. And let's repeat: yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, and pull through second and the third loop. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through second and the third loop. I call it yarn over slip stitch. So in total in this row we will get 8 yarn over slip stitch. Insert, pull up a loop and pull through second and the third loop. Pull through, and the last one, pull through. That's what you have. Not visible ribbon yet. Let's go on. Chain 1 and let's turn. So how you have to turn? It is important to turn the work clockwise, like this. And now through the back loops only, here and here, you make a slip stitch. So 8 times. And let's place a stitch marker on this side. This will show you that this is a right side, and it will be visible and clear, but for beginners it will be easier if you're going to join later on the ribbon in the round, so it will be easier and clear how to join it and where. So make a 8 slip stitch in each yarn over slip stitch of the previous row through the back loop. Through the back loop. Without yarn over. So 8. Chain 1 and turn again clockwise. And through the back loops again, repeat the first row. Yarn over, insert the hook, draw up a loop, and pull through the second and the third loop. And repeat again. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through the second and the third. And pull. Work always through the back loop. And one more, no, two more. That's it. Chain 1 and turn. So this is the right side, and you already may see some ribs Here we are going to repeat again slip stitch in each stitch of the previous row. So as you may see, there are only 2 rows to repeat. And the last one is always hiding here. Please pay attention. Pick up the back loop and make a slip stitch like this. Chain 1 and turn again and repeat. Yarn over, draw up a loop and pull through the second and the third. Yarn over, yarn over, again yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. If it's hard, you can make like this, helping yourself with fingers. And the last one. That's it. Chain 1 and turn. Let's make one more row. This is just slip stitch in each chain of the previous row. And the last one that is hiding here. That's it. Here on the right side you can already see the ribbon, and the wrong side looks good as well. So let me show you how to join the ribbon in round, in case you would like to use it for the hat, for example, or knitting the socks. So make the ribbon the length, the desired length, and the most important, you have to finish on the wrong side. So the last row has to be the wrong. And facing ribbon right side up, fold it in half so that the tail and the working yarn has to be on one side. Insert the hook into the first edge and then this loop. Pick up this loop, it pulls and pulls through the first chain here and make a chain 1. On the side where it is a foundation chain, you're going to just insert the hook in each chain. On the other side, you are always going to work through the back loops. So let's join. So you have to count in total 8 stitches to join. Insert the hook and into the second chain now through the back loop and make a slip stitch. Let's repeat again. Insert the hook, then through the back and make a slip stitch. Insert the hook. I really hope you can see it. Insert the hook here into the next chain, then through the back loop and pull through all 3 loops. And one more time. And again, insert through the back loop and pull through all loops. And this is the last one that is always hiding, and pull through all. Now let's turn it right side out, and you see it's a beautiful seam that is almost invisible. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it was useful for you. In next video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet stitch that is really look like the stockinette stitch, knitting stitch. So if you are interested, stay with me, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave comments if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you guys so much one more time, and I hope to see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!